Favorite summertime meal, which we can mostly prep ahead, and my husband loves it. It's like a Cobb salad. So I hard boiled the eggs first. I'm going to chop those up. I throw my bacon in the air fryer ahead of time to make bacon bits, so I'll chop it up. I threw in 2 ears of corn in the air fryer right after the bacon to cook in the bacon grease. But sometimes we just use leftover corn that we had from earlier in the week, and I just cut it up. Whatever you like on your salad, of course, put on your salad. And we usually top it with either grilled chicken or steak tips. Today, we're just using what's left over for chicken and steak tips that we had last night. Gorgonzola cheese on there. Sometimes I do blue cheese, whatever your little heart desires. Easy peasy, tasty, and filling.